How to draw an isometric fence. First, setting your canvas. Okay, this is just reminding you what is an isometric drawings. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to turn off and turn on the drawing axis, and I want you to know why. Okay, first create a new layer and set it to drawing axis or the drawing axis turn on. And then when you are going to draw the top part, you have to turn off the drawing axis first. Kind of like make a triangle. Yep. Then turn the drawing axis on again. Because isometric drawing has specific direction for drawing, the angle between the axes are always 120 degrees. When you are drawing, you will see what is different when you turn off and when you turn on. Okay, after you finish the first part, then duplicate it and then merge them. Adjust the position a little bit and then duplicate it one more time. Next, create a new layer and set it to drawing axis. Then draw the horizontal part that connects between them. And then duplicate it and move it above the original one. It's done.